Hi guys, welcome to lesson 1 on subtraction, and we've done a little bit about this in class, so I just thought I'd put together a little reminder of some of the skills that you need to do to be able to solve a subtraction of a 2-digit number and a 2-digit number. So let's have a look at the success criteria. What it says here, it says set out your subtraction in a column. Subtract the units first, so it's a little bit like when we did our addition. You have to start off with the units first. If you can't take a 10 from the tens column and put it in the units, put it in the units. Okay? Right, well, hopefully this will all be clear when I do my little calculation. Well, here we have a subtraction problem. It says 32 subtract 19. Okay, well let's do it like we did with the addition. Let's start off by partitioning 32. Okay, so here's my tens column, and over here is my units column. Just remember that some people call those ones as well, so just be aware of that. Okay, so let's partition 32. So we know that 32 has 3 tens in it, so that would be 30. And over here, look, we'd put the 2 of the units. Now we've got 19, so we're going to partition 19. So 19, being partitioned, has 1 10 in it, and it's also got 9. And just remember to always add your subtraction sign, just in case you forget halfway through if you're adding it or you're subtracting it. Okay, so there I've got it. Just there. Okay, right, well let's try to work this out then. Let's start over with the units column and let's subtract them then. So we've got 2 units, subtract 9. Oh, we got a problem, haven't we? Because you can't subtract 9 from 2. 2's a smaller number. You just can't do it. Okay, so where are we going to go? Well, the only place that we can go is next door. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a 10 from the 30 and we're going to bring it over to here. Okay? So I'm just going to cross out that 30 now, because it's not going to be 30. It's going to be 10 less. It's going to be 20. I'm just going to write that 20 there. And the 10 that I took over is going to come over here. And 10 and 2, because we've got the unit there, it's going to make 12. Remember that that is worth 10, and the 2 together is going to make 12. Well, now we can do it, can't we? Because 12 is a bigger number than 9. So we can say 12 subtract 9. Well, let's have some quick thinking time. It's 3. And then if we go back over to the tens column, can we still do it? I think we can, because we've got 20 subtract 10, which will give us 10. And just like we did before with the addition problem, we put them together, and that's going to make 10 and 3, it's going to make 13. But of course in school we don't set it out like that at all. What we do is we make it easier for ourselves. We don't have to split it up like this with 30 and 2. All we do is we write the numbers in the column. So let's go back to our success criteria. Set out your subtraction in a column. Well, let's do that then. Let's just keep the tens and units for now. Okay, and we'll go 32 and we'll put 19 underneath it. Put the subtraction just in case I forget it for later. Forget what I'm doing. I don't want to be adding it, do I? Because I'm supposed to be subtracting it. And then we just do the same thing. 2 subtract 9, you can't do it. So you have to go over to the tens column and you have to take a 10. That's going to make that a 20. And I'm going to bring the 10 over to make it 12. 12 subtract 9, we know is 3. And you're guessing it, 20 subtract 10 is, well, it's 10. So you get the same answer, 13. And there it is, 13. Why don't you have a go at some similar ones? Look out for lesson 2, where it becomes a little bit more challenging. Have a good evening.